Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about Nifty view for tomorrow based on market structure and price action. So if you see, today's session was clearly bearish after the opening move and buyers failed to hold higher levels and sellers gradually took control throughout the day. And one more important thing is the market is now trading below a key support zone, this one, okay, which earlier acted as demand, and this shows weakness in the current structure. So current market structure is like it is making lower highs and lower lows. If you observe in 15 minutes time frame, here you see lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and lower high. That means buyers are attempting to defend the lower levels, but as of now sellers have the advantage. So let's analyze Nifty for tomorrow. In my view, firstly I'll check higher time frame to lower time frame. So if we check higher time frame like 1 week time frame, here you see on order block is here and market structure is downtrend. See higher low, sorry, lower high, lower low, lower high, like this 1 week time frame is going. So our next target will be this candle. So this candle high I'll take as my downside target, but this entire candle act as order block. Okay, so here our target in 1 week time frame is 950, 22,960. Okay, and in 1 day time frame, if you observe, market is doing same downtrend structure, and our target, weekly target, will be here, this level. Okay, so overall in higher time frames like day frame and week frame, both are showing downtrend. So recently just made one boss and took small rejection here today and falling again towards weekly time frame target. And let's check in 4 hours time frame. In 4 hours time frame also, market is making downtrend structure. See, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, like this. And same here also, what happens here, you see volume imbalance in SMC. If you found a space without candle's body and only wicks, that will be known as volume imbalance. And when market is making structure like this, mainly market targets these volume imbalances. So in that case, from 22,700 to 22,790, inside these 40 points, market can be touched anytime when it falls. So in that case, I'll take this high as my first target. Okay, it can be touched this low also here, 22,700, but I'll take this high as target. Okay, so in that case, once market can't hold this 22,960 weekly target, so it will reach 4 hour time frame volume imbalance 22,790. And also, if this target can't be held in 4 hours time frame, here is one order block. So once it breaks this level, we will be seeing this level as our target, which is 22,400 to 22,200. So inside these 200 points, market can touch any level. And now let's check in 1 hour time frame. In 1 hour time frame, market just making same lower high, lower low downtrend structure if you observe clearly. But here what happened today, market just made one boss from here to here, and it took pullback also, and this level took as resistance, demand zone, and again coming back down. Okay, this is how 1 hour time frame market structure. And even if it wants to take pullback, again market can take like this till this area. Okay, which means 23,370 in 1 hour time frame. This candle can act like resistance, demand zone, order block. If you consider this as order block, then in 1 hour time frame, market should go for pullback till this level. Okay, why it became order block means when there is no candle, like these gap ups, gap downs, the space between this gap can become one candle according to SMCO. Okay, hope you understand. And now let's check in 30 minutes time frame. So if you observe in 30 minutes, here also same structure. Market just took demand zone from this level and it is trading below this recent demand zone. And here if you observe in 30 minutes, this target can be reached in 1 week or 2 weeks in my view. So here inside this 4 hours time frame order block, we can find one order block here, this candle, and here is FVG. So we can't consider 200 points as our target. So inside this zone, if you find any order block, we will take it as target. So between 220 to 300, this can be target. When market reaches this 790 and can't be held, then our target will be this level. Now let's check in 15 minutes. So here you see in 15 minutes, market just trading below this demand zone as we know. And here you see one equal low is presenting here, okay? In my view, market can reject from this equal low, from this low tomorrow. And it will take like support. And from here, we can see movement like this till this demand, okay? If that happens, then market will be remain in range bound. And again, if market price rejects from this demand zone, we will be seeing downtrend like this, okay? And our target will be 960, 22,960. If you want to see buying in this market, market should break out. Like maybe if market opens gap up tomorrow, and then if price sustains above this level, then our target will be 23,436. This one. Here is one order block in 15 minutes time frame. This is our order block. If market goes to this level, again we will be seeing selling. Let me remove it. If market touches this level, price will definitely reject from here and we will see selling like this. That's how my view is buying for buying. So much volume holding here, equal highs. Many times buyers tried to break this level to make it uptrend, but here it failed and again came to downtrend. So in same case, if market breaks this demand zone, price will sustain and take this as resistance, because here is one order block in 15 minutes and liquidity. Then when price rejects from here, we can sell market. If market opens above this demand zone and sustains here, tomorrow we will go for buying till this level, okay? And another view is like, if market opens gap down tomorrow, it may open at 22,960, as I know, because this is weekly time frame level. So market always respect higher time frame. In that case, if market opens here and price rejects like this in 15 minutes time frame, first market open and it will come down, and if it opens above entry level, then that time we will go for buying and our target will be this level, because here is one order block in 15 minutes. So this can be our target for buying. And again, after taking this order block, market will fall again, because total structure is downtrend, lower highs, lower lows. So we always see selling side big targets and buying side small targets. I hope you understand whatever I explained till now. Okay. We will go for buying once this breakout comes and our target remains this level. Then when price gives proper rejection, then we will sell from this level itself. And if market opens gap down, we will look for pullback. First it will go for small pullback, then again market will give big selling. So like that we will plan for tomorrow. I hope you understand. So at this moment, the market is showing bearish momentum. The key thing is to watch tomorrow is whether buyers can reclaim this level or they are going to collect this level in 1 week time frame. So we will trade what market confirms tomorrow, and we will focus on protecting capital and displaying first. So that brings us to the end of today's Nifty analysis. The market is at an important level, so let market price confirm the direction before taking any trade. Okay, and trade patient, stay disciplined, and always prioritize risk management. If you found this analysis helpful, make sure to like the video and share it with your trader friends and subscribe to the channel for daily analysis and live market sessions. Thank you for support and I will see you tomorrow in the live session. Until then, trade safe and take care. Thank you.